Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 6 Norview Road here in Whitstable. Now, this property offers you a wonderful opportunity just to move straight in and relax because you've got no work to do here whatsoever. Now, coming straight through into the main entranceway here on the left hand side, you can see all of the expanse of space here, just giving you an amazing open plan feel with that wonderful sky lantern above us, letting all of that natural light flood through. And just as we make our way towards the bifolding doors, you can see there in the distance the seafront, and of course you've got a really nice private aspect here just with the rooftops of the bungalows there ahead of us. So really wonderful and very unique location and opportunity here with the property. Just panning across the kitchen and dining room space there, you can see beautiful modern decorative finish, and coming through into the lounge again, you've got that nice modern decorative finish again with that access out into the rear garden. Of course, you've got such an abundance of light just flooding through into the property. It really is beautiful. Coming through to the rear of the property, I say the rear, should be the front. Of course, we'll go through and take a look at the bedrooms. Now, you've got 3 bedrooms with this property, really good sizes as well, and of course you've got that modern family bathroom on the right hand side. Now, you do have that access point from the front if you so wish to use that, but of course if you're coming through into the property, no doubt you want to see that wonderful view as you look left every time you enter. So coming through here into the bedroom, really nice size, lovely amount of light coming through from the front there from the window. Of course, plenty of space in here, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well. Now, coming back through to the entrance hallway space again to the front, we'll see here bedroom number 2, currently being used as a study, but a fantastic double size room nonetheless. So of course plenty of space in there for the double bed and for plenty of storage as well. So just coming through here and taking a look at yet again another double bedroom, really nice amount of space in here again, plenty of room for the double bed and plenty of space there for the storage. And of course just ahead of us you can see that we've got the fitted wardrobes. So let's go through and take a look at the modern family bathroom. Of course you can see here bath on the right hand side with the loo and the sink unit there straight ahead of us. And then of course let's go through and take a look at the rear garden and take in those views again just outside from the bifolding doors. Of course we'll recap a few points on the property in just a few moments. So there we have it. That has been 6 Norview Road here in Whitstable. Of course, I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this wonderful detached property with us today. Really do hope that you've got a few questions for us, but don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.